Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Basecamp app for keeping projects on track, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Basecamp app, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. If you are on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Basecamp. Press the search button. Look for the official Basecamp app in the search results. It should have the Basecamp logo, which is a green mountain. Tap on the app to view more details. Check the developer name to ensure it is Basecamp, LLC. Now, click the Get or Install button. For Android users, this button may say Install. Wait for the download to complete. Once the installation is finished, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the app. If you already have a Basecamp account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to Basecamp, choose the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new account. Once you are logged in, explore the features available. You can create new projects, assign tasks, and collaborate with your team. Customize your project settings to suit your workflow. Now, you are ready to keep your projects on track with the Basecamp app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.